Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill.
Science.
Sodium is a very soft, silvery white metal that is very reactive. Because it only has one valence electron, it's a good conductor of electricity and heat. It has a low density, which means it can float on water. It has a boiling point of 98 degrees Celsius and has a charge of 1+. Chlorine is a nonmetal. At room temperature, it's a yellow-green gas. Chlorine has an atomic number of 17. It is very reactive because it only needs to gain one electron to form a full octet. Chlorine has a melting point of -101 degrees Celsius. Chlorine has a higher density, which means it sinks in water, and it has a charge of -1.
Salt, due to their oppositely charged ions, are attracted towards each other with an electrostatic force of attraction, which is called an ionic bond. Salt is white, odorless, and it has a salty taste. Salt water is a good conductor of electricity. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, making a covalent bond. Water is less dense as a solid than as a liquid. Water has a positive and negatively charged electrons. Water has a higher heat capacity than lead due to the larger number of hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Hydrogen has a very low density. It is a non-poisonous gas. Although hydrogen is in group 1, giving it a charge of 1+, it is not an alkali metal, it is a nonmetal. Hydrogen is combustible. Hydrogen has an atomic number of 1. 75% of all mass in the universe is hydrogen, and 90% of all atoms in the universe is hydrogen atoms.
Oxygen is a nonmetal. Oxygen is in group 17 and has a charge of 2-. It is highly reactive and forms oxides with almost all elements except noble gases. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8. Oxygen is the third most abundant element in the universe by mass. Oxygen is a pale blue when in liquid form or solid form.